Cotton candy machine. The nostalgic cotton candy machine is a delightful addition to any kitchen, combining classic fun with modern convenience. Measuring 10 into 12.5 into 11.5 inches and weighing only 3.5 pounds, this compact machine is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it an ideal choice for both kids and adults. One of the standout features of this cotton candy maker is its retro design, which not only captures the charm of old-fashioned carnivals, but also brings a nostalgic vibe to home gatherings. It has garnered a favorable rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars across over 4,300 reviews, showcasing its popularity among users. The machine holds a notable position as the #1 cotton candy maker in the market, which speaks to its effectiveness and reliability. The setup of the nostalgia cotton candy machine is incredibly straightforward, as it does not require any assembly. This means you can start making cotton candy right out of the box. The included components, such as 2 reusable cones and a sugar scoop, ensure that you have everything needed to begin your sugary creations.